Here, question is using definition, prove that the function fx equal to sine fx equal to x into sine 1 over x not equal to 0 has limit 0 as x tends to 0. Means we have to prove that fx, our function fx approaches to limit 0 when x approaches to 0. And the solution is here fx equal to x into sine 1 by x not equal to 0. We prove this result by epsilon delta definition. So we prove for any epsilon greater than 0, uh, uh, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever 0 less than mod x minus a less than delta. For this, we choose let epsilon greater than 0 be given. Epsilon कोई भी एक रियल नंबर है, कोई भी एक पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर है. हमें प्रूव करना है, we have to prove mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. So we have to prove mod fx minus L less than epsilon. So we consider mod fx minus L. Here L is the limit of the function. So here L is equal to 0. So we consider mod fx minus 0. Put value of fx. So this becomes mod x into sine 1 by x minus 0 is equal to mod x sine 1 by x. And this becomes, you know, mod AB is equal to mod A into mod B. So this separates and this becomes mod x into mod sine 1 by x. Our definition is for given for epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. Then f is said to have limit L x as x approaches to a. Means we have to prove for epsilon. For our chosen epsilon, we prove mod fx minus L less than epsilon. That is, here we have to prove our mod fx minus 0 less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. Means we have to prove mod fx minus less than epsilon, and we must exist some delta greater than 0 such that mod x minus a less than delta. So we need here mod x minus a. Here our a is 0. So we need mod x minus 0 less than delta. From star equation, mod fx minus 0 is equal to mod x into mod sine 1 by x. And we know that mod of sine theta is always less than equal to 1. Absolute value of sine x cos x is always less than equal to 1. So this becomes less than equal to mod x as it is, and mod sine 1 by x के लिए आ जाएगा mod sine 1 by x less than equal to 1. And this is equal to, this single term is equal to mod x minus 0. So this becomes mod fx minus 0 less than equal to mod x minus 0. That is fx minus L less than equal to mod x minus a. This implies mod fx minus 0 less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 0 less than epsilon. Means if at this factor mod x minus 0 is less than epsilon, अगर ये फैक्टर आपका लेस देन एप्सिलॉन होगा तो mod fx minus 0 is less than mod x minus 0 and mod x minus 0 is less than epsilon. This implies mod fx minus 0 is less than epsilon. That is, if mod x minus 0 less than epsilon, then mod fx minus 0 is less than epsilon. So choose epsilon is equal to delta. As we have mod fx minus 0 is less than epsilon, and we need mod x minus a less than delta. So we choose this epsilon as our delta. So choose epsilon is equal to delta, and this becomes mod fx minus 0 less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 0 is less than delta. Thus, for given epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta, and value of delta is epsilon, such that mod fx minus 0 less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 0 less than delta. And this becomes limit x approaches to 0, fx equal to 0. This implies that is our fx is equal to x into sine 1 by x. Hence, limit x approaches to 0, x into sine 1 by x equal to 0.